welcome to Crash and Burn. Today we're going to be looking at the Q11 drone. 3D flips, headless mode, altitude hold, phone and video, cycle fly, and speed control. I bought this at Amazon for under $50. And the reason why I bought this was because of all the LEDs. It's a beautiful looking drone when it's running. So obviously I've already flown this. I'm not going to go with the unboxing that was put in styrofoam and basically, it was packed. I don't think we need to go through that. That's just a box. So, this is a transmitter, and the instructions give you a better explanation of what all these do than I will probably tell you. You can hold a phone in here. It does do video and photo. I've got some clips I'll throw up of this taken video. It has LED lights. This is the main reason why I bought this. And this is a Q11 by Hansky. I think that's how it's Hansky. I'm just probably killing the name. But anyway, it's a Q11. It's fully caged, which makes it pretty safe. You might think because it's caged that it's a little drone, but I'm going to tell you it's not a little drone. I'll show you a little drone. This is a regular sized drone that you'd buy, a foldable or even a non-foldable. That's the size difference. That's a mini drone. It's a regular sized drone. Another reason why I bought this. LEDs mainly because I like to fly at night. And with the 3 props, I know it's a little more stable because I used to run these. So let's throw a battery in here so you can see what it is. I'm not going to go through every single thing about this thing. Show you better off. And these batteries, they charge here, and the button to power it up is right there. Pretty simple. Pretty basic. But let's see. Oh, and you get 2 charging cables, 4 props and a screwdriver, an extra battery. And again, it was under $50 from Amazon. So now that I got the battery in on this, let me turn it on. There's a button right back here, which I thought was pretty cool. It's built into the battery. Let's turn that baby on. So you can see blue and green lights. Green in the rear, blue in the front. Okay. I got a night flight on this. I got an indoor dark flight on this. Video if you want to watch. Let me turn the transmitter on and we'll play with the LEDs. There's only 3 settings. There's 1. It's 2. And the 3rd setting's no lights. Well, actually 4, which is the default setting. But that's basically the drone. I did tell you it does have a camera. Okay, it's static. You cannot move it up and down with your transmitter, so you have to set it before you go. Takes pretty decent video. So, and it flies very well. You'll see I flew this in the house. on speed 3 in my room. I don't have that big of a room. And I flew this outside, and it seemed to do very, very well. So it's a nice little flyer, and again, it's under $50. So continue watching, and you can watch this thing fly. I'll try not to make it boring for you guys. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, here's just a short video of the Q11. This is its onboard camera. Doesn't take bad video. Could be better, but again, you have to hold this drone steady. So here's just a short vid. Let's continue on with testing. Okay, this is a quick indoor test flight. The light's off in my room. You can see she's sitting there blinking away, but she ain't bound yet. Gonna turn on the transmitter. She's bound. We're gonna calibrate her. She's calibrated. Now green is in the back, blue in the front. Start up the rotors or the props. Out she goes. Seems to do pretty well. A little back motion right now. Let's flip her around and see if we can trim her. See how she does here. Yeah. Not too bad. We'll stop it. Nope. She wants to go left. Not too bad. That's pretty good. Let's bring her down and do the one takeoff. That's the one button takeoff, and that's the height that it went to. Not bad. Not at all. Seems to be a good little flyer. Yep. Takes some bends pretty good. I showed you how big this thing is, and this is a fatty room. This is a 12 by 10. And that's what this big drone's able to do. Amazing, huh? I am back after doing that short flight. I hope she looked as good to you as she did to me when she was up there. But you could see she's very agile. It's got 3 speeds, video. I will do a night flight with this. This is just the unboxing and a indoor test flight. But you gotta admit, this is wicked cool. So next we're gonna do the outdoor flight. But you gotta admit, it is amazing. That's speed 1. Not too bad. Blue in the front, green in the back. That's speed 1. That's pretty cool. Not bad at all. Little wind. But not bad for speed 1. Not speed 2. There's a little breeze, not much. But she seems to do quite well. This is speed 2. quite well. Yeah, that's a good little drone right here. Look at that thing. That's speed 2. Okay, let's try speed 3. Then I'll go through the lights. Okay, speed 3. You can tell by the beeps. Even faster. Look at that baby go out there. Alright. Let's see what these lights look like when I change them. Speed 3. Alternating blue. Woohoo! Around the world. Oh, I'm sure. Let's see if I can trim this up. Just for giggles. On she goes. Anyways, guys, that was a test flight. I hope you enjoyed it. We got 8 minutes on that battery, which is pretty good. If you don't want to watch the whole video, that's okay. Again, subscribe. That's what keeps this channel going. And thanks for watching.